this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we're going to note down the important theory question that you need to study for innovative financial service. Again, a very important video for all the TY, BMS and 6 students. Here I have broken up all the questions module wise, so we are going to learn all the important topics module wise. Okay, so these are the set of questions that you have to go through each module. So let us see what are the important topics that you need to cover up. Under module 1 you have explain the problems in financial service sector. Question 2, characteristic of financial service. 3, advantages and disadvantages of factoring. 4th, distinguish between factoring and forfeiting. Next, benefit and drawbacks of forfeiting. Next, write a short note on banking and non-banking company. Next, we have constituent of financial service market. Next, we have types of factoring, and last, distinguish between factoring and bill discounting. Okay, you all can go through it once and note down. Okay, from the next module 2 में we have short note on merchant banker, short note on underwriter, short note on stock broker, short note on sub broker, explain the trading and clearing function. Then we have a distinguish between security and factoring, then feature of securitization and benefit of securitization. So you all can note down. Okay, next, module 3, explain the type of lease finance. Next, explain the advantages and disadvantages of leasing. Explain advantages and disadvantages of hire purchase. What are major issues in housing finance in India? Write a short note on National Housing Bank. Explain the features of venture capital, and lastly explain various types of venture capital. So from module 3, these are the important topics that you need to cover up. I can go through it once. Okay, and these are the last question under module 4. Explain the sources of consumer finance. Explain what are various types of products. Write a short note on consumer credit scoring. Explain the types of plastic cards. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of debit card. Explain consumer protection. Write a short note on smart card. Explain the features and types of smart card. Then we explain the features of credit rating, explain the advantages of rating, explain the process of credit rating, and last, explain the credit rating agency in India. Okay, I hope everyone have gotten. So with that, we end this video here. Thank you.